Hello everyone, my name is Frandi. I'm from Sunmi and I am the head of business and sales in Sunmi. Let me introduce about Sunmi. Sunmi, our core value is altruism. It's an IoT company that globally leads the innovation of intelligence hardware for business. We are dedicated to provide intelligent IoT device and integrated solution by combining software and hardware to empower business to achieve Business 4.0. And at June 2020, Sunmi App Store has become the world's biggest commercial app store with more than 11,000 commercial apps in 100 subdivided industry. And we already found our way to serve more than 200 countries and 1.1 million merchants. This is our core value, is altruism. Our mission is to build a next generation commercial IoT platform with the altruistic mind and achieve Business 4.0. And our vision is to become a top 10 IoT company in the world. And we get employees all over the world, and we established in 2013. And our average age is 29. More of it is an R&D team, and we have 25,000 partners and developers now. This is some brief story for Sunmi, established in December 2013, and we have just celebrated our 7th birthday last week. And we got the A round financing from Xiaomi, and we also have from B round from Xiaomi and Meituan, and also we got also in D round here we got from Ant Financial. And at last, we already have more than 1.5 million global merchants in 200 nations and regions. And what is the value of Sunmi? Sunmi, the value is Sunmi is doing platform, ecosystem platform in Cloud OS, in Sunmi Cloud OS using Alibaba Cloud also. And we divide it into the two parts. One is the software and one is hardware. For software, we will publish it in the Sunmi application store, and for hardware, we are distributing it in Sunmi Mall with partner and with the distributor. And we have some sub-devices. We divide it into 6 here: a handheld device, payment device, wireless device, desktop POS device, and self-service kiosk and accessories. And here we can see our Sunmi device. We got handheld, data collector, payment, pay calculator, desktop POS, post scale, IPC, ESL, printer, wireless device, some accessories here, self-service kiosk, and face recognition payment and label printing too. And for Sunmi OS is OS that designed for smart business, based on Android. And with Sunmi OS, we provide merchant with the integrated business solution. And we got more than 19,000 developers partner and more than 11,000 commercial apps, and we got 1.5 million active device and 50 million downloads. And this is Sunmi Home, the place that we can experience Sunmi, but I hope we will open soon in Indonesia. And this is our award. Sunmi has got some design award from Eve, from Red Dot, and Good Design also for our device and our OS. And this is our customer. We divide it into two. One is for merchant, and merchant is the people who are using Sunmi device to do the digital transformation for business. And developers is the software provider to that integrate with our ecosystem to deliver the software to our channel and client. And this is the integrated retail IoT solution. I can talk more about this. We can start it from here. We got the combination of our devices. Here, here we got Sunmi W1 is for the network. And for the front end, you can have Sunmi T2 or T2 Mini for desktop terminal, for POS terminal, and also for takeaway or delivery, you can use Sunmi V2 here. And for the pricing, we have ESL for price, Sunmi ESL for price management, and it needs ESL base station, Sunmi AP. And for self-service, we can also have Sunmi K2 kiosk here. And for data, customer data, we can have Sunmi Face Sense to see the customer flow here, and also Sunmi Store Sense to security surveillance and loss prevention. And this is IoT solution for restaurant using our Sunmi combination of Sunmi device. We can see started from the network, we have the W1, and also for checkout, we can have Sunmi T2. And for the waiters, for the orderman, you can have Sunmi M2 here. For takeaway, for delivery order, same Sunmi V2, and for self-service, we can have Sunmi K2 here. For payment, we also can have Sunmi Bring for QR scanner, and for the kitchen, you can have Sunmi printer here. This is the wireless printer, and it just print the order. And for the logistic, we can have Sunmi L2 for inventory and storage. And also for the customer flow, customer analysis, we can have Space Sense here, and also for security, we can have Sunmi Store Sense. And Sunmi IoT device and solution cover more than 100 subdivided industry. And we have this for catering. Catering is like F&B actually. The solution is including the queuing, checkout, self-service, takeaway, and storage management. And in retail, like supermarket, convenience store, department store, shopping center, we can have like self-service payment, waiting, scan to pay, scan to check the inventory, mobile payment, shopping guide, and store management. For service, like in public sector, hotel and recreation center, we can have like self-service payment, self-service check-in, order management, and ticket sales also, and scan to pay. And the others, we also do some cases in hospital operating management, the grid electric charge payment, parking fee payment, sales and inventory management, vaccination appointment and transportation, and also logistic management. And this is our partners and developers. We've got more than 25,000. We have BCA here and also Grab. And we have served more than 1.5 million global merchants. And maybe some of it you already know. And this is some of our use case. We have in Indonesia, we have BCA Bank. They are using T2 and T2 Lite for self-service. And BRI also, BRI, we have doing for the billing and also for the merchant. And in Japan, we do the line pay here. And in Vietnam, in transportation industry, we do the with Vietnam Air for urgent case and passengers who buy airline tickets from Stripe directly. For taxi, also in Vietnam, we do like the taxi payment integrated with the QR and all bank card. And for GrabFood in Southeast Asia, also in Indonesia, also the GrabFood is using our P1 device. And this is Aeon in Japan for payment. Uniqlo also, and 7-Eleven in Thailand with the Sunmi Bring for QR payment. And this is the Sunmi Digital Store Solution. In Digital Store Solution, this is some of our cases that to see the new retail, what can we do with our Sunmi device. The first, we can do the inventory management, membership management, and chain store management and intelligence operating system. This is our some of the sample of our target merchant, like the 24-hour chains, convenience store, store at community, subway, and gas station. Yeah, this is the small one. And this is the combination of our device that can be used for the solution. Like here, the extra one is T2S. For the logistic, we have L2S. For the payment, we have P2. And this is for the surveillance, for the customer flow, for the kiosk, and it can be combined together. And we have our smart router here. And with our smart router here, we can have the IoT solution for the small coverage with one of these router is coverage around 100 meters square. And also, if we want to do it big size in the shopping mall, we can have several of it and it can be linked together. And for our smart router, we can have a feature like Sunmi Link is one key connection to the IoT device of Sunmi. And the connection is priority for ensuring cashier equipment network. This is our face sense and camera and store sense camera. And this is for the POS machine. For the POS machine, we can integrate with the SaaS software, mini SaaS software with our standard API, and you can choose multiple kind of POS combination, and we can have and support multi-payment, omni-channel of payment like face payment, also QR payment, payment code, bank card, and also cash payment. And this is ESL, our electronic price tag system. And for this, we can get the SKU and change price directly from your ERP system, and then go through our single AP that support 10,000 piece of ESL, and it can be synced to the price, the ESL price. This is what I have told before for the new retail, the combination here. And let me see. This is the promotion. You can have the promotion management and also membership promotion here for recharge system, discount, credit, or membership event. And it support omni-channel of payment. And this is the advantage for we got the MDM, strong marketing system, chain headquarter management system, data analytic, and professional report system and intelligent supply chain system. This is the cashier. Maybe I want to show this one for the smart watching. And this is with our store sense, we can see the abnormalities in the store. If the cashier here, there is no people, it will give us the warning and to the back end, and you can call your cashier person to see what happened. And with our face sense, we can see the customer flow. Is it a regular customer or how many new customers here, and how sales per day, the transaction conversion rate, customer flow analytic, and also the rank of the goods that by customer. So basically, it will collect the data, customer data, goods data, device data, and order data, and put it in the cloud for BI analysis. And then for data output, you can do like membership marketing, community structuring, adjust the community arrange, and for the intelligent change of the price. And this is for the flow statistic and membership recognition. And in here, we can have the facial recognition camera, and we can see there is people goes in and goes out. You can get the gender and maybe the approximate age here. And our face recognition can recognize the member, so you can know what the member is it your member or no, the age, the gender, how many times you have got into the store, and average buying for the customer, and you can see there for the membership conversion, and it can remind when member go to the store, and it can have the accurate file to which goods that will be pushed to the member. In here, for the cashier behavior, if there is some people like to do the payment, but because our system is connected together, but there is no sales here, it will mark as the abnormal cashier, and it will give the warning to the store owner, and you can check the monitor, is something abnormal there. And for here, we can see the customer flow track analysis. You can divide the area of the stores, and you can see the area, how the customer flow, how they work in the store. And here is the heat map analysis. Heat map analysis, we can see the area like ABCD. If the area is the sale highest and the heat is highest, or the heat is highest but the sale is lowest, maybe you don't have any goods already there, or maybe the place is lower, not seen by the customer. And this, you can have this analytic, and you can do what next to adjust for the store. And this is for daily data for customer flow. And you can see at the period of time here, how many customers come, and group of customer, and regular or new customer, the percentage here. And this is for some sales analytic. You can see the rank of your goods here, the payment method that use, and the transaction total, transaction per customer, total sales, and what they buy. And here is the transaction data also. You can see the total sales for the period of the time, for a day, and transaction time distribution for sales, per customer transaction, transaction number, and conversion rate, and the payment method, and the rank also for the goods that you put here. And with the ESL, if you're using our ESL, we can do the analytic, because you put the SKU here, and we can do the layout, which place is selling the most, or which goods is selling the most, and we can see the heat map here. And with our Sunmi, you can store the big data through our device and do the supply and marketing forecasting model, like the purchase recommendation, dynamic pricing proposal, and you can have the sales forecast. And this is to control operating costs, to do the automatic pricing strategy, and reduce the budget. And thank you. This is my email. If you have some question, you can email me here. Thank you.